One of my favorite things to gift this time of year is the chocolate mushroom almond bark that is super easy to make in under 5 minutes. It's got beautiful ingredients, including a functional mushroom powder that's going to give it this immune boosting power to support your immune system this time of year. Once you're done melting this beautiful mood boosting chocolate, you're going to add in some crushed almonds and a little bit of dash of candy cane, which is gifted to me by my client, and it adds a little bit of the festive fun. Once it's done freezing, you can enjoy or gift to loved ones knowing that you're giving something that is supporting their immune system while festive for this time of year.